And then when it comes to menus in SEO and Joomla, it's pretty straightforward. You want to be using keywords in your menus as the menu items. So when you go into main menu or creating a menu, you want to be using the keywords as the when you go to create a new item, you want to use a keyword as the link. So preferably, if you can, or some permutation of that keyword. It doesn't matter if it's a long tail. Just get the keyword in the menu item if you can. Additionally, too, a lot of the new menus, new templates from all of the professional template clubs have really fancy sliding menus and multi-tiered menus. Most of these, and I'm not going to get into whether or not drop-down JavaScript menus are SEO friendly or not. It depends upon how they're built, frankly. So some are and some aren't. So you need to make sure that check with your template club and see how they built theirs. The rocket theme templates, the later templates are good when it comes to being able to index the HTML inside the menu. And so obviously when you create menus on the left here, this ends up being raw HTML anyway, so that works out fine. When we click on Joomla Overview, we're going to get child items that are also going to render underneath that, or we should. And this will all be text here, so that's fine. So again, keywords in your menu items. You can have different. You want to take advantage of the multiple menus and the multiple options or modules that you can have in Joomla, or you can create. You could conceivably create, if you're optimizing a page for Joomla Overview, I could create a specific menu where the name of the menu is Joomla Overview Topics or Joomla Overview Tips, created with a handful of Joomla Overview, content items, and only have that menu show up on the Joomla Overview page. Again, it would increase the density of the word Joomla Overview on the page. It would obviously be a relevant menu, and it would do nothing but do good for the SEO. So, when it comes to optimizing the menus for it, you want to give the title of the menu, use the keyword, and then you want to use subsequent or long tail related keywords as the menu items themselves, linking to keyword related content. So I would have obviously a Joomla Overview link to the Joomla Overview page. I would have Joomla License is going to obviously link to the Joomla License page. And so if you've had a keyword that said Joomla Tips and Tricks, it would obviously link to a page where the title, H1s, H2s, all had Joomla Tips and Tricks in them, in addition to the menu items. So you want to make sure that your keyword is following through to all of your pages, ideally. And that's about it when it comes to optimizing for menus, kind of basic on-page SEO. In addition to that, you'll notice here that we've got links within the page. So when you're creating pages, you definitely want to be using anchor text that's linking to pages within your site. So, for instance, we have the Joomla license page here, and take this text for instance here, Joomla electronic documentation license. I would change that text, let's say, to just Joomla license and link this text to the Joomla license page. So now I've got some anchor text on an inner page linking to another inner page on the site, and then in similar fashion on the Joomla license page, if there was an opportunity to link to the Joomla overview page from within the text, I would link back to that. If you've got specific long tail keywords that are related to Joomla overview and you're able to use them in text on other pages in your site by interlinking long tails within pages to the top level keyword, is extremely valuable, because then it helps this page rank for the long tail keywords as well. So you can really help your rankings out for your long tails by using them as an interlinking strategy. So I hope that was helpful.